Yay! My nature box came in. So, I already opened it, but haven't looked at it. So I'm going to show, really. So, first is the cute gum, and then the little thing. My list, and so, with the list, I have, the dried cherries were out of stock, so I'm going to do the Big Island pineapple. So, now I'm going to try it. So, the cranberry medley I have had before, and pomegranate nut, so that'll go here with all this fun stuff, but I'll show you that later. So, this one is salted caramel pretzel puffs. I actually never had before, so I thought I'll try it. These dark chocolate almonds kind of look good. I kind of like almonds, so I thought I'd try them. These are one of my favorites, so I might have them later today. The dark chocolate nom-noms. And then these. Oh, look wet. I don't know. I might like it. Big Island pineapple. So, yeah. That's all I got out of the whole deal. So, yeah. I'm watching, the host. So, yeah. It's in the middle of the movie now. But, yeah, things happen. So, alright.